Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail candles. Gather a clean workspace, gloves, wax, wicks, small cocktail glasses, fragrance oil, and a double boiler. Melt wax gently, secure the wick, pour slowly, and add fragrance at the right temperature. Trim the wick and cure the candle before lighting. I will guide you through safe melting, scent blending, and simple decorating tips so your candles look and smell great. Start by gathering materials and tools to keep the process smooth and safe. Choose wax type, wick size, fragrance, and any colorants before you begin. Use a thermometer to control melting and pouring temperatures for consistent results. A dedicated pouring pitcher and stirring utensil make measuring and mixing easier. Keep towels and heat-resistant surfaces nearby for spills, and always wear gloves to protect your hands during melting and pouring. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy craft content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading project instructions and pattern books simple, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in a craft bag. It's perfect for following step-by-step guides while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Melt your chosen wax in a double boiler and monitor with a thermometer for accuracy. Center and secure the wick using a holder or clothespin, then slowly pour the wax to prevent air bubbles. Add fragrance when the wax has cooled to the specified temperature for optimal scent retention. Let the candles cool and cure undisturbed for several hours or overnight, then trim the wick before the first burn for a clean flame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.